Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's review, I'm filming the 2025 Kia K4. As you guys can see, very handsome exterior styling. This is basically the bargain vehicle in this competitive segment. Special thanks to Dade Kia for giving me time with the 2025 Kia K4. If you guys are wondering what is a Kia K4, basically it replaces the Kia's Forte old name in this actual compact sedan segment, which I think Kia did a good job by simplifying the actual name in this segment. If you guys are looking to purchase a K4 or any other Kia vehicle, be sure to check out Dade Kia and Extra Cello, and he will get you into your next vehicle. Looking at the front fascia of the Kia K4, as you guys can see, I love the new daytime running lights here with this nice amber finish with these multi-reflector stacked full LED headlights here. As you guys can see, nice grille here with the silver painted trim and gloss black trim. It wears the new Kia logo there. And down is going to be for the radar sensoring, of course, for Kia's driver assistance tech. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the exterior styling of the Kia K4. Now, looking at the side profile, this has a 107.1 inch long wheelbase with an overall length of 185.2. So it's right on par with the other competitors in this segment, if it's not a little bit bigger or a little bit shorter. But looking at these tires and wheels here, I love the nice turbine, futuristic looking design here. These are a 225/45 tire. They're wrapped in this 17-inch rim design. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the gloss black with the silver trim here. Now, I also have some cladding here, which I think Kia should have offered a body color finish there. This is a deep sea blue exterior paint. There's no LED sight marker here, and my model is missing that standard size sunroof. Kia, as you guys know, and other competitors do not offer a panoramic roof in this segment. And I love the way this door handle is. It reminds me of the Toyota Prius, which this vehicle is not based upon. But looking at the rear of the vehicle here, I love the futuristic design to the actual taillights with the incandescent finish there. You also have your reflectors down here. Your reverse light is there. It has the K4 badge, the Kia logo, backup camera. Press this button here, opens up the trunk, and it does reveal 14.6 cubic feet of space. And underneath here, Kia does give you a spare tire instead of a fix-a-flat kit. So I'm sitting in the interior of the K4. As you guys can see, massive screens in this vehicle, which is better than the other competitors in the segment, which offer smaller displays. But I do like this detonator style. Like, Kia has the Kia logo on both sides. It has lock, unlock, trunk release, panic button, and you also have remote start. Some competitors doesn't offer remote start, but it is nice that Kia does give it to you, especially with this key fob being this nice size, and it does fit in your purse or in your pocket very well. Closing the door sounds really good. To start up the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, and the start stop button is right here, just like on the Nissan Sentra, which I think that's a nice place to put the actual start stop button. As you guys can see, you're greeted by these big screens like I mentioned. I love the nice two-spoke wheel design, nice high quality switch gear in this vehicle for the turn signal stock and also for your wipers. As you guys can see, it does have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it does support over-the-air updates, so the system shouldn't glitch or nothing like that. As you guys can see, the screen has a really nice resolution to it. Your climate controls are going to be here. You can also adjust it here, the temperature with this heart button here. There's some shortcut buttons here. I like this plastic-like material here on the actual dashboard. Your air vents are here. Pressing this button over here, it does you can show different things like your tire pressure, your driver's assistance tech. The materials are going to be a nice soft touch ejection molded plastic on the door panel here. I love the way the door handle looks here. Really nice chrome finish here, or chrome like finish. Over here is your illumination switch, electronic parking brake, your stability control. The switch gear feels nice storage here and cup holder space. Putting the vehicle into reverse, it does reveal a backup camera, of course, with trajectory and distance markers. Putting it back into park, there's your auto hold. Press that button here, you can still access the cameras here. There. Open this up, it does reveal a 12-volt, and this does have a wireless phone charger. My 16 Pro Max is it fits very well, and Kia actually raised up the actual charging pad so your phones do not get overheated compared to previous models. Open up the glove compartment here, it does reveal a good amount of storage in there. Like I mentioned, the materials are really nice. My model is missing that sunroof above. Press this here, it does reveal LED lights throughout the cabin, which is a nice premium look there. There's also these pop-up cup holders here. You can just retract it by pushing it there and press that button there. So you guys have big drinks and whatnot, you could put it here in the actual cup holder. And here it does reveal a good amount of storage in the actual center armrest. Nicely padded. These are cloth seats, very supportive. They hold me in place, but this vehicle is not a sport car, nothing like that, but the seats are very comfortable. But let's hop into the back seat and compare the space. Getting into the back seat of the Kia K4, this vehicle does have a good step in height, even though it's a compact sedan here. But shutting the door, the materials are going to be carried over from the front. I love the way the door handle looks. There's only one mat pocket back here for storage, a little bit of storage here, and there's 2 Type-C ports so you guys can keep the kids charged up on a long road trip. There's this hump here, but you guys can fit a middle passenger here. The seats here are nice and cloth, but there's no actual armrest here, so you guys can pull down the armrest to basically get comfortable. But Kia does give you some cup holders here in the actual door area here. But overall, the back seat of the K4 does offer, you know, nice materials. It does offer a good amount of space, and Kia says this has 38 inches of legroom space, so it's very competitive, especially in this segment. Let's talk about the powertrain specs here for the Kia K4. Kia will launch this vehicle with 2 powertrains. This is the base powertrain, which is the company's 2-liter 4-cylinder. It's a naturally aspirated powertrain. It's part of their smart screen family engine technology. It has double head over cam. This makes 147 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. If you guys want the sweet engine in this K4, I would recommend looking at the GT line, which has the company's 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, which makes 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Kia has got rid of the dual clutch transmission and replaced it with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As the vehicle sits here, it weighs in at 2,900 pounds. Fuel economy for this powertrain is rated at 30 in the city and 40 on the highway. So I'm in the 2025 Kia K4. This vehicle has a smooth ride quality. It's paired with a CVT transmission. Fuel economy is rated at 30 in the city and 40 on the highway. Kia does not offer a hybrid model, which I think the company should put that 1.6 turbo hybrid inside this vehicle, and it will get great fuel efficiency in my opinion. But Kia does offer 2 powertrains. The base powertrain, which I'm driving right now, which makes 147 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with the CVT transmission, like I mentioned. But if you guys want a more powerful K4, I would recommend looking at the 1.6-liter turbocharged GT line, which makes 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. That's basically the sweet spot as of now, until Kia actually offers a hybrid engine in this competitive segment, which you guys know Honda has basically reintroduced the Honda Civic Hybrid. That vehicle gets over 40 miles per gallon, and Toyota also has the Corolla Hybrid. I had owned that vehicle for about 1.5 years. That vehicle got great fuel economy, especially with gas being the way that it was at the time when I got the vehicle. But as you guys can see here, technology in this vehicle is really good. You also have this massive screen here, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Wireless, and it does get over-the-air updates. I like that Kia actually have the climate controls here in the actual screen instead of being down here, but you guys can also adjust the actual fan speed and climate control as well. And this vehicle weighs in at 2,900 pounds, so it's pretty light in modern day car standards, because some vehicles can top over 7,800 pounds and so forth. You guys have one of those big heavy vehicles. The CVT responds very well. It's very smooth ride quality. Also has Kia's driver's assistance tech, so keep you and your family safe on short or long commutes around town. Visibility is great throughout this vehicle. Like I mentioned, CVT transmission. You also have a wireless phone charger pad, which some other competitors you have to go for the top trim in order to get that wireless phone charger. It's nice that Kia does give it to you at this entry level here. But guys, overall, this vehicle is definitely a good bargain, and it still gets great fuel efficiency, even though it's not an actual hybrid. After spending time with the 2025 Kia K4, this vehicle offers tons of value. I think this is really the bargain vehicle in this compact sedan segment. The exterior styling is beautiful. I love the beautiful blue exterior paint, the nice technology. This model is sadly missing that standard size sunroof, which I recommend going to the top trim to get that standard size sunroof, or looking in Kia's configuration if you guys are looking for that standard size sunroof. This vehicle does offer a very smooth ride quality, great fuel efficiency. I wish Kia will offer a hybrid K4 to compete with the Corolla hybrid, which that vehicle gets phenomenal fuel economy. With that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this full review on the 2025 Kia K4, and I'll see you all in the next video.